I'm going to finish off with Ask Scruff today. So we're going to go over onto that one. Now, this is one of those questions that it's more psychological than technical. Okay, and it's for Phil, little solitude. I've looked into my trades recently. I say I'm prone to rushing and getting caught on the wrong side of a trade. How do I slow myself down and stop getting into a trade early, but not too cautious as to missing the trade altogether? Okay. So, first thing is, it's where you start looking to get your trade signal in the first place. Well, to get your trade signal in the first place, you need a decent time frame you're comfortable with. Now, personally, I use the hourly. I only want to trade once or twice a day, and I want it high probability. Now, it doesn't bother me if I've got to wait all day for the trade. So I would look at the top of the candle close. So sort of like 5 to the hour. Have a look at the chart and ask myself a very simple question. Is it ready? Yes or no? If it's no, well, then I can't do anything till the next candle close. Now, if it's almost there, then I'll drop into a 15-minute, and then I'll look at each 15-minute close and ask the same question. So that way, it's slowing me down, but it's also given the ability to take a trade if it presents itself. And I do that each hour till I'm paid. Now, if you're just switching the chart on and just searching desperately for a trade, jumping from asset to asset to asset, then you will rush in. And not only will you rush in, the chances are you haven't analysed it properly and you will get caught on the wrong side. Possibly. Now, let's just say you're a 15-minute trader. You're looking at 15-minute charts. You can look at the overall chart, drill it into one product. And as long as it's a faster product, the DAX, USJPY, Pound JPY, US 100, they will give you a trade every single day. Every day they'll give you an opportunity. The question is, what opportunity? You know, if you're going to go with the trend, fine. If it's in a pullback, you've got to wait. If you're going to counter trend, you're going to have a small target. And you've got to take all of these little elements into account. But personally, I find the hourlies is where the best signals come from. So top of the hour, ask the question, is it ready? Yes or no? If it's a definitive no, you can't read it, you leave it alone for an hour. If it's maybe, you drop into 15 minutes and you look at every 15-minute close. But you've got to be disciplined in your approach and how you do it. Very, very simple. And that way, you kind of get the best of both worlds. The no filters out terrible trades. The yes gets you into a decent trade for the hour coming. And the maybe means you drop it into a 15-minute, which is still a decent chart. And eventually the charts catch up, stars align, and away you go. And that way it becomes a patient, simple way of doing things. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.